Malinis. Nakakapagod din pala. Wala na sa'king natira. Walang nakukontento. Hi, Sir David. My God, Mr. Mount. Hello po. Hi, Mr. Mount. Sir David, Mr. Mount from Sir David. Hello, Cheryl. Hard at work this time. Of late, yeah, I need to work. My God. Walang nakukontento. Bakit nasasaktan sa tuwing siniseryoso? Oh, thank you so much, Mr. Mount. Thank you pa. Nakakapagod din pala. Wala na sa'king natira. Akong papakinggan. Ayoko munang bumalik sa dating nakaraan. Ayoko nang magmahal dahil sawa na akong masaktan. Thank you so much, Mr. Mel. David, hello. Thank you, Sir David. Close your mouth. Life going on. Life going on. Oh my God. My beautiful baby Preciosa. Ah, Preciosa. Ayoko munang bumalik sa dati. Thank you so much for joining po. What? At my place there is 0 flies. Oh my. Ciao, Enrico. Had successful live this afternoon. Keep building. Nice to see you, Cheryl. Thank you so much, Sir David. Good evening. Sir Fred, good evening. Hello, Jollibee. You change your profiles, Kuya Dre. Change your profile. What happened? Hi, Fred from Sir David. David Tibal. Tibaot. Hello po. Good evening. Hi, Sir Don. Good evening po. Are you busy studying? No, working. Xiao Sion Sona. Hello, David. Hi, Don from Sir David. Maybe I can't work. Maybe because I'm talking to you guys. My God. My God. Kumusta ka? Okay lang. Hey, darling. I'm fine. I'm fine. Gorgeous, amazing, beautiful, sexy, chando. Do you have moderator called No? I don't remember. Why? Why, Mr. Mount? I don't have that moderator like this. I go to Banana, no? Hi, Dre from Sir Fred. Hi, Sai Chu Shong. Thank you po. Hello, David from Don, Sir Don. I'm pangit. I'm pangit and shy. Oh, no pangit. No pangit, Kuya Drew. Sufred from Korea. Just be you, Cheryl. Yes, thank you, Sir David. Sana all. Hello, Mr. Mott from Sir Don. Anggon Eprela. Hey, Fred, Kuya, and Don Juan. Thank you from Mike. He is hiding in me other and moderator on channel. If you see him, don't give him. Yes. Yes po. Mr. Mel. Thank you for the information. Cute look. Cute look. Thank you, Sir David. Mike. Sup Mike from Kuya Dre. Hello, Classic from Don. My gulay. Kumalti, may gamit na akong puto. My God. That's all. Mickey! Hi, Mickey! Don't want a little bro from Mr. Mouth. Soup Mike from Chocolate Calenti. Just saying warm and this nasty cold snap here. Cold. I need to change the background because the background is like it's not good. Maybe my gulay. What a beautiful. What need to maybe this. 28 here, Mike. Oh my God, nice and warm here in the Philippines. Thank you, Sir Fred. 70 here, Dre. About 27 Celsius right now. My God, the weather is so Everyone, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much, Mr. Mount. Hello, beautiful lady. How are you? I'm French and I love Filipinos. Thank you so much, Oliver Joubert Lorenzian. 31 here. Blah, breath. My God. So proud. My gulay. It was 5 degrees this morning. Now it's 11 degrees. My gulay! So cold. Need to change then. Oh my God, I don't know what the song. Oh, was 69 this morning, Mike. Wow. No more winters for me. That's great po, Sir David. I need to stop. My body can't handle negative temps for chores. Want a good song, Cheryl? Yeah. No, I don't need the song. No need the song. I need to stop the song. No more songs for now. My God. Chocolate, do I know you don't recognize your name? Yeah, from ano. Okay, later, Guy and Jollibee. Time for work. Take care, Kuya Dwi. Take care always. God bless you, Kuya. Always take care of yourself. Good evening, beautiful show. Good evening, Sir Chester Hengsan. Thank you so much po. Thank you for joining po here. PCF3 from Sir Fred. I heard 64 is the new 40. Yeah. May gulay. Hey Pat from Sir Fred's. Hey Pat, thank you po. Good evening everyone. Hi RD. Hi iBugs. My God. Hello brother Fred, good to see you. Hi Pat from Mike. Welcome Cheryl, thank you po. Oh my God. Oh my gulay. Oh my God. How old are you, if I may? I'm turning 41 this February 2nd. Yes po. Na Gaz Rodriguez. Turning 41 this February 2nd. Hello, brother. Good, Mike. Good to see you from Sir Pat. Cheryl, 22. Oh, how I wish. 22 years old. Oh my God. But the iBug says, ano, may kulay. I mean, she's married. Hello, David from Sir Pat. Oh my God, 13 likes. Thank you so much po. 41 is okay. I hope. Yes. Enjoy life, even it's getting old. Uh, you look absolutely gorgeous. Thank you, Sir Gus Rodriguez. We care about you. Thank you, Sir David. Thank you po. Cheryl, hello there. Hi, Madhira George. Are you from Philippines? Yeah, I'm from Philippines, Sir Nicolas. Why you remove my blue? Huh? I remove your blue? Hello, brother. To you. Good to see you. Thank you, Sir Pat. Pinagiging mo, buti ka pa, sinusuyo mo. Queen of Moon. Queen of Moon? Guys, she is Sandra. She is from the moon. My God. I'm from the moon. Welcome, Cheryl. Thank you so much, Paul. My God. Gonya Gazal. Nice to see you again, Pat, from Sir David. You, brother David. You too, brother David. Oh, thank you so much. Hit the likes. He been popping into my live stream. Great Bob. Buti ka pa, sinusuyo mo. Buti ka pa. Good vibe, Fox. Good vibes. Ahmad, once you've been here several times. If you're respectful, you might get blue, but you must earn it first. Thank you. 29 people here, no? Yep, we all hiding in Sheryl house. Thank you po. Buti ka pa, sinusuyo mo. Buti ka pa, ang pagmamahal. Kiss mo naman. Huh? Hey user, ate, hindi ka ba mapagod sa pag-live? Hindi ka ba? Ate, hindi ka ba mapagod? What naman? Sa pag-live ng video or content kasi lagi akong walang good vibes. So, kung wala kang good vibes, maybe wala akong pake. Charot, joke. Siguro wag ka dito kung wala kang good vibes dito. Punta ka doon sa makaka-good vibes sa'yo. Kasi hindi tayo match. Okay? At I don't want to explain to anyone that anyone to like me. User. User, okay. I don't have time to stress myself. Stay away here and find your match, your personality. It's fine. Cheryl, very good morning to you. Sir Dwayne, thank you so much. I never felt tired here, that's why. Because I created this channel since 2020, so it's pandemic. So when I feel bored, I have free time, I'm here. When I'm busy, 2022, when I'm busy for being a volunteer, community service here, that's why I stopped. So I don't know you, user bam bam bang. I don't know you. So if you here just to if you don't if I can entertain you for having you a good vibes, I'm sorry. You're well, you can choose your pwede kang pumili kahit saan mo gusto. At wala akong pakiano kasi wala naman, bakit may kapaki ba yung ano bang ambag mo sa buhay ko? Wala akong dapat i-explain sa'yo. Sir Doc, hi. David, Sir David, thank you so much. I always be caring and respectful to you, Cheryl. Thank you so much, Sir David. Mike, good morning to you, Mike, from Sir Dwayne. Morning, Sir Dwayne, from Mike. Fred, good morning from Sir Dwayne. Kevin Reed, bonjour. Want him gun, Cheryl? No, it's no need to use his gun. Just I explaining myself, Sir Fred. Hulay, hello, be, hello. Hey, Doug, thank you for joining here again. Hey, Doc, from my, of course, I might barb. So David, well, let him have 24 hours since he don't have good vibes. Yeah, no need to please you. Hindi ko kailangan mag sa'yo if you don't feel good vibes here. Oh my God. Your life you choose, your role you choose. My goodness. No need to stress yourself. Doc, everyone. Hi, Doctor. Thank you so much for joining here again. May I help you? That's right. Thank you po. Hello, Doc from Sir Pat. Buti ka pa, sinusuyo mo. Hi, Sir David. Thank you. Hi, Doc from Sir David. No need to stress yourself. Okay. Hi, Doc from Sir David. That's the way. But the doctor is here for you. Bakit ka lumisan nang hindi man nagpaalam? Okay, okay, okay. He will fix the monster pad. Huh? Doctor send us some good health vibes this evening. If anyone is sick, I'm here. I'm not sick, I'm feel good. If Good evening, Mike and Venus. Thank you for joining po. Hey, MJ. MJ. Artie, you are so pretty. Thank you, Artie. Althea, Ate Cheryl. Hi, Althea. Hey, number 3, welcome. Does the doctor have a cute nurse? Doc, you have a cute nurse. You have. Silly, 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 silly sometimes. Just being me, yes. Just be yourself. Don't wanna let her go. Left-handed. No, it's alright. This is a left. I'm a right-handed. Maybe different on the ano na cam. I'm a right-handed. Can I help? No, I can manage myself. I'm a right-handed. Maybe because the ano the camera. Right me. I'm a right-handed. Oh yeah, camera. That's the camera. You can manage yourself. Yeah. Yes. Cheryl really upside down. Upside down, dancing in the crowd. Right-handed. Hi, team. Team is here. Sir Fred. Team is here. That's funny, yes. Thank you, Stem, for joining here. That's funny, yes. It's funny. Oops, I spelled coffee on it. I spelled coffee. Fred, what you up to? What you up from the... Just relaxing tonight. Yeah, relaxing. That's great. Ano yun? Ano? Having salmig light tonight, no? Oh yes, you need to ano salmig. It's very cold here, been snow, been ice and cold. Ice and cold. Costa Shiny. Costa Shiny. Hi, Costa Shiny. Who is my friend? Who's your friend? Up? Mahigda? Golden? Who's your friend? Mahigda ka? Mahigda? Mahigda ka pa pa? Mahigda ka pa? Higda na. Kana. Maka na kaya ano ba ikaw? Dili ka magigda ho. Dili ho. Kaya para maka ano ka. Ang ko. Higda na. Jayla. Punta ka dito. Punta ka, diri ka komportable. Ayos mo ka. Yeah. Punta ka kay, diri ka pa nga komportable. Saan mo pa perfect mo? Turog na kayo. Hali, anong may naanti para mo? Kaya naturog ka na. Yung kayo niya. Pinapipinit. Dilali ka na. Yeah. Dad, get up and eat Yeah, he's already ate. He's already ate my no, my father. Yes, and I can't come soon enough. Why? I don't miss it at all, Doug. Hi, Ree. I hear you, Fred. I wish I was. Where are you now? Oh my God. How old are you, Doc? 58, Doc? My 58? Few more years you can then. That you can, yes. My father already, already eat for dinner. That's why he needs to sleep. I might go back in the summer to visit the kids and grandkids for a couple months, then right back. Wow, sana all. See you next live. Thank you. I get some rest. Thank you, Sir Pat. Thank you, Sir Pat. Take care, Cheryl. Thank you so much, Sir Pat. Take care, Pat from Sir Pat. Take care, Pat from Mike. Oh, let us go. Baby, my love, broken down. Don't wanna let you. Babang! Sure, your dad needs a red ball. Huh? No red ball here. I don't know if available red ball. Hi, Leonie. Thank you, Leonie. Thank you so much, Dating Dike. Thank you so much, Leonie. Taja Obitia. Hi, everyone. Cheryl, is your boyfriend on now here? Yes. Yes. Uh, his name is Mike. Althea Vlogs. Hi, everyone. Althea. Taya Obisaiya. Hello, Althea. The real thing. How you? I'm looking for some. Huh? Oh my God. That's a no. My God. No, no. The real thing is what done. I didn't expect that the real thing is you. My God. Getting sleepy with this stuff. And tomorrow for your Cheryl. Thank you, Sir David. Take your time. You need rest. Big sister. God bless Sir David. Need to rest. But health is wealth. Hi Jackie, I'm Charles' boyfriend. Tim. His name is Tim. Mike. To keep Cheryl, you need to support her. If not, I will take her back. Stop bragging, Mike. Thank you, Tim. Hey, baby brother. Like, oh Lord. My God. Thank you, boss. 7 million in the house. Sir Fred, why need to time him out? Oh my God. Can you? No, it's not. Oh my God, please. You need to come him back. Tim not having any drama. Oh my God. You look beautiful today. Not drama. He's not making a drama. He's not. Mike. My God. Sir Fred. Hi, Big Lon. Call Barbari. Hi. Don't forget to like and subscribe, everyone. Thank you, Big Lon. No worries, I will do what needs to be taken care of. She knows about. She knows that. Thank you, Mike. You look so sad, but nothing. Just nothing. Just no, Mike. I'm just telling you the truth, my business, because she is a. Thank you so much for joining. Super chats, super stickers, and membership are available. Everyone, tap the dollar sign on the lower right of your screen. Thank you so much. Thank you, Big Lon. I started in day one. Thank you, team. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Biglan. 14 people here. Thanks a lot. Biglan, thanks for all the supporting, Carol. Thank you so much po. I'm from Philippines, called Barbari. I'm living here in the Philippines. Hello, nice. Thank you, Tony's Harabadi. Maybe my love will come back someday. Thank you for 30 likes. Let me get it. Suddenly silent. Elon, thanks for all this. So, Cheryl, in a few days I will go home and I will send you. Huh? What? Team, what? Hey, big. Just leave be and let her move on. Chat Jackie. She will have no worries rest of her life. Plus, she has a good man who knows how to treat a woman, not control her. Hi, Fred from Biglan. Just what do you mean? Go, Tim? Haha, good man. I didn't say you were not. I'm just telling you what she needs. I haven't said anything bad about you, Mike. Biglan, I think it's awesome. You support so many channels. Great support. Thank you, Mike. Thank you, Biglan. Do you need? No. Anything? No. Call Barry. Okay, if you need anything, just let me know. No, thank you. Call Barbary. Chucky, I appreciate your concern. No worries. I promise you, she's in good hands now. No more drama. Thank you, Mike. Taparel. Hello lang here. Hi, Taparel. Calvin, Supercharge or PayPal is available if you want to send her gifts or blessings. I'm sure she will appreciate it, especially since her birthday is in few days. Thank you, Classic. Are you no, I'm not a teacher, Taparel. I'm not. Well, gotta go to dialysis. I'm sure I spelled it wrong chat later. Thank you, team, for joining here. Well, gotta go to dialysis. I'm sure I will spell it wrong chat. Thank you. God bless you. Get well soon, Tim. Get well soon po. Take care, Jackie. Wish you well. Hope you get better soon. Yes. Thank you so much. Thank you, Mike. Get well soon. Feel better. You get better soon. Thank you, 32 people. Hit the likes. And thank you, 8 people joining here. Thank you so much. I'm going to relax. Take care, everyone. Thank you, Sir Fred. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for joining po. Good night. Sleep well. Cheryl, I will be home soon. I will send you money because I know you need it. Mr. Wonderful. Hi, Mr. Wonderful. Take care, Sir DJ Fred. Remember, I surrendered. Thank you, team. Thank you so much. But I told Mike um, about us. Then I explained what happened about us. But um, I'm thankful that you forgave me now and having a mic now. And thank you for accepting me and Mike now. And thank you so much, team. You're and thank you so much a lot. South Tarzan, very beautiful sister. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, team, for accepting the me and Mike. Thank you. That's the important for me. For now, I having a peace of mind now. But why? James. You don't need to have the sex. Yes, because remember, I have a. You don't need. Yeah, why? I need to think of him because the last that we having a good before then good, but that's why we break up it because it's all my fault. Then he told me now that if I have a new one, then I said I yes I have. Then it's good. It's good for having a no, having an just need to accept that what happens before. Did you tell the truth about us? Yes, I tell the truth about us. Yes, I tell. That's why I tell them the truth about us, team, because that's why I'm very thankful that You know, it's really difficult to explain because we're very Mr. Wonderful. How you know? Why you say that? Fred is was her. Yeah, yeah, but it's all my fault. That's why I really thankful to him that whatever happens, you still know it's still kind of me to me. I tell Mike about what happened. That's why that I'm thankful that Mike that I understand what happens. So my God, that's why you said I follow you. I follow you, Tim. That's what I am not. I be kind to. I will be nice to Mike. I need to be loyal to Mike. I follow your advice. Either way, she don't need your acceptance because she has. For me, Sir Fred, I need him acceptance because it's my fault. It's really I'm not a perfect in a relationship. Maybe it's I'm a oh my God, what happened about me and Tim? This was all my fault. That's why I blame myself all the time. I put the fan on, getting hot in her summertime. That's why. But I don't care if she has a new one. Oh my God. Don't wanna let her go. Hot jacket, your noise. Oh my God. Oh my God. Mike, I already explained to you this, what happens. And I understand him, I understand him before that he just protecting me, that my channel and me, because she didn't is PM, it's still 34 degrees Celsius. 34 degrees Celsius. Hmm? Oh my, oh my. Alright. Oh, thank you, 33. Oh my God. gulay. Remember, ladies, you have what all men want. Make them earn it. It's true. Hi, Cheryl. Have a great night. Take care always. Thank you, Mickey. Hi, Cheryl. Just a stop. You have to give a thumbs up. Talk later. Hi, Rick. Mr. Wall, what's your plan? Tell me about them. I'm very interested. Hmm? Mike, don't worry, I don't want her back. But I could have her if I wanted to, Mike. What part of New Jersey do you live in? Marhay na Banggi, Gary Burboy. Freehold. Freehold. 35. 35 likes. Maybe my love come back someday. Only I know. Cheryl, you need to let go and move on. Yes, and Tim knows that. Yeah, so talk about them. Tim, we talk about that, and we agree about the breakup. Since last year, we break up last year. You were all smiling and laughing before he came in. Oh, love your expression when you're reading comments. No more of this cup on her. Change the whole mood. Fred Big Mouth black me all the time. Fred Big Mouth black me all the time. Why? What happened? Maybe you do something wrong. Wonderful. Like now. Like now. Need counseling again. Need counseling. Maybe I know. I need maybe I need music. music, Mr. DJ. Music.
I've been trying to forget you, but I can't. 'Cause you know that I love you, and I've loved you all, and I miss you, been far away for far too long. I keep dreaming you'll be with me, and you'll never go. Stop breathing if I don't see you anymore. 'Cause you know that I love you, and I've loved you all, and I miss you, been far away for far too long. How can I make it through the day? I wish you don't wanna.
Oh my god, no more music.
I'm so in love with you, and I hope you know, darling, your love is more than worth its weight in gold. I'm so in love with you, and I hope you know.
Hello, Yusel.
Darling, your love is more than worth its weight in gold. I'm so in love with you, and I hope you know. Darling, your love is more than worth its weight in gold. I'm so in love with you, and I hope you know. Darling, your love is more than worth its weight in gold. I'm so in love with you, and I hope you know. Darling, your love is more than worth its weight in gold. I'm so in love with you, and I hope you know. Darling, your love is more than worth its weight in gold. I'm so in love with you, and I hope you know. Darling, your love is more than worth its weight in gold. I'm so in love with you, and I hope you know. Darling, your love is more than worth its weight in gold. I'm so in love with you, and I hope you know. Darling, your love is more than worth its weight in gold. I'm so in love with you, and I hope you know. Darling, your love is more than worth its weight in gold. I'm so in love with you, and I hope you know. Darling, your love is more than worth its weight in gold. I'm so in love with you, and I hope you know. Darling, your love is more than worth its weight in gold. I'm so in love with you, and I hope you know. Darling, your love is more than worth its weight in gold. I'm so in love with you, and I hope you know. Darling, your love is more than worth its weight in gold. I'm so in love with you, and I hope you know. Darling, your love is more than worth its weight in gold. I'm so in love with you, and I hope you know. Darling, your love is more than worth worth its weight in gold. I'm so in love with you, and I hope you know. Darling, your love is more than worth its weight in gold. I'm so in love with you, and I hope you know. Darling, your love is more than worth its weight in gold. I'm so in love with you, and I hope you know. Darling, your love is more than worth its weight in gold. I'm so in love with you, and I hope you know. Darling, your love is more than worth its weight in gold. All the sweet, hey. Even though you're far away, I'm right beside you day by day. Don't you know my love is here? Don't you know my love is real for you? You should know by now. This much is true. My love is here for you. Even though you're far away, I'm right beside you day by day. Don't you know my love is here? Don't you know my love is real for you? You should know by now. This much is true. My love is here for you. Even though you're far away, I'm right beside you day by day. Don't you know my love is here? Don't you know my love is real for you? You should know by now. This much is true.
Fred, I've got to head out for appointment for my passport cover if you can. Head out? What means head out? What do you mean, Mike? Head out. Means he's leaving. He has an appointment. Oh, he has an appointment? Now? Yes, okay. Take care, Mike. Even though you're far, far.
This much is true. My love is here for you. Even though you're far away, I'm right beside you day
Yes. Not telling him love you, hubby. Take care. I love you. Take care po. Take care, Mike. Honey, honey, my love. At i-shoutout naman po dito sa Mabini, Batangas. Ano po ang sinusulat mo? From Mabini, Batangas. Nagtatrabaho ako. I'm working. Too late. He got, oh my God. It's too late. Hi, Joazu. Hi, Joaz from Brazil. Thank you so much po sa nagla-likes. Ano? Ano, kurot lapit to. Kurot lapit to, kurot ito mo, guys. If you don't make mistake, you don't need to erase. Ah, sorry. Because maybe I made mistake because I'm so fast. That's why nothing. I'm not thinking. My God. Hey. Sorry. Mistake agad. Oh my God. Ano yun? Hi, Golden Blade. Hello. I'm waiting for me. Waiting for. Thank you for 41 likes. Hi, Thomas. You look amazing. Thank you, Sir Thomas. Miss Star. Though you're far away, beside you day by. You're still awake, boy? Yes, I'm still awake. Sir Don. Thank you, Sir Don. Way besides you day by day. Don't you know my love is real? Well, thank you, Sir Don. You know my love is real, real. And it's all now. Do you find love? You dance very well. Thank you, Sir Don. Thank you, Pa. From Poland, Sebastian from Poland. Thank you, Poland. Inside my heart of mine, I do. I'm from Philippines, Sir Sebastian. I'm from Philippines. Body. Manny Pacquiao, yeah. The land of the Manny Pacquiao. Manny Pacquiao. Now you're tired. Very good boxing, yes. Manny Pacquiao is a good boxer. I'm sorry. Surprised by you still awake. Midnight. Midnight. So, why you still awake? Me, because I'm not sleepy. King Philippines boxing, yes. Manny Pacquiao. King Philippine boxing. Oh, you're not sleepy but yawning. But yawning. You are the love of my life. I'm so glad you found me. You are the love of my life. My goodness. Go to bed. It's tired. Okay, I need to go to bed. Bye bye. Thank you, Sir Fred. Thank you, guys. I need to go to bed. Bye po. Thank you so much. Bye, Donnie. Bye po. Thank you so much for joining. Good night. Good night.